All right, you guys, so we just got done with the first detail of the day. Had a maintenance detail on this Honda Civic Si right here. It's a beautiful color. You guys see how it's shining with that sun hitting it right there. Look at that. Sheesh. Got the wheels nice and clean, of course. Added our tire shine. Give it a quick vacuum, a quick wipe down. This is actually just supposed to be there. So gonna head off to the next car here. Appreciate y'all if you're watching this far. Let's go ahead and go to the next car. All right, you guys, we have made it here to the second vehicle and the third and last vehicle. So we have two cars here at the same location. Have this pickup truck here, Silverado, giving it a bronze detail package. So charging $250 for this pickup truck here. Now, the interior, it's not too bad. These floor mats always protect the carpets up so you don't have to shampoo them or anything. Just regular stuff, you know, fingerprints, cup holders need detailing. But overall, it's not too bad. Could be way worse. Let me see. I can open this door. You can see the back here. So, I mean, overall, I mean, what you guys think? What would you rate this? Comment down below, 1 to 10. What would you rate this pickup truck here? And then I'll show y'all the other vehicle so y'all can rate that one too. So we're gonna get this thing looking right. Make sure we clean up in there. Clean and shine the wheels. And we're pulling the second one right here, the Suburban, right now, which is gonna be a maintenance detail. So doing the maintenance detail and a bronze package. Time is currently 12:31. Let's see how long we take with these two large vehicles. All right, so this is the Suburban here. I'm gonna go ahead and show you really quick. So we gotta get started. It's not too bad in here. It's a pretty nice, pretty new truck, but these things are huge, you guys. Look at this thing. Got 3 rows in here. Big body. Wash is gonna take us a little bit. Overall, like I said, the carpets are protected with these floor mats, so we just take them out, vacuum, pressure wash that off, put them back in there. And these doors seem to be pretty decently clean. Not too bad, but it is dirty on the outside for sure. So let's go ahead and knock this out. Hopefully y'all enjoy the video. And this one is a maintenance, so you can see our old air freshener just hanging right there. This thing is super nice though. Look at that view right there. Super nice. All right, let's get started. All right, you guys, so we just got done with the first car. It's actually 154. So we just wrapped it up, the maintenance detail. We're gonna move this out our way, bring that one back, and start on that one there. Let me show y'all real quick. Interior, nice and shiny. Just give it a nice quick wipe down with 303, as well as the thorough vacuum. Even detailed the cup holders on the car seats and everything. So Edwin's gonna move it out the way for us right now. Now we're on to the next one. Let's get started on this one. All right, YouTube, we just got done with the Silverado. Time is currently 3:05. Just got done with this detail here. Just our basic bronze package for this car. No shampooing or anything like that. We just gave it a thorough vacuum, wiped down, cleaned the air vents, door panels. Still got to touch up the door jambs, I see. So I'm gonna go back around and do that. This is a work truck, so can't expect nothing but what you get. You feel me? So looks nice and shiny. Y'all know the vibes. About to end the day here. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe.